loaded up, about ready. You see the moose? There's a big moose in Matt's Lake. Maybe 5 gallons, maybe 4.
What's the other one?
Chubs.
Chubs.
That's a good bar name.
That's a bar name?
Yeah, I know we're thinking about starting a bar. Chubbies.
Chubbies.
It'd be a good one.
It's all in the hips.
In Willow.
It's all in the hops. Willow Town site.
Well, where do we go from here? Do you remember? Can't we go back to that junction we turned off at and go from there?
Got ourselves a lovely morning. The temperature is pretty chilly, 6 degrees. We're gonna get loaded up, get a little adventure today, and it's gonna be a good one. Get it started.
Film breakfast.
Filming you, film breakfast.
This guy does not know how to cook. Come in here, 9 o'clock in the morning. That's what it is here. 23.
All right, we're all loaded up, heading to the mountains. It's time. Loaded.
Didn't have time to go get gas.
Nope. Sounds like a good start.
Running lead.
If anyone's got any extra.
Yeah, I think we're gonna go like Upper Valley and surf around that creek bed up high. Cool. Off to the right. Hopefully the light will stay. It's already changing. Yeah, sometimes you just get kicked. At least you stopped.
1, 2.
Whoa! Yep. Now just roll it out of the way. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh well.
Oh, whenever you can flip it out of this. Yeah, right into the tree. Ah, all right, get around it. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Now my fingers are warm. I was wearing
that's all
an
I'm
extra
doing,
face
funny.
mask and I was like, oh, get this thing off my head.
Oh no! Oh, 1, 2, 3. Rah! Rah! There she goes. Oh, it totally is. Yeah, there's a big creek down in here somewhere. In the trees before we take off. And I've been having a good time riding this Lynx. I still like how my Polaris handles better, but it's a good sled. by myself. That's what happens when you come down the mountain by yourself. First stick of the day, all up in a tree. Look at that. Holy crap. Found ourselves a good one. Well, let's get out of it. I was like, maybe I shouldn't go down the hill because maybe I'll get stuck by myself. Sometimes intuition is a pretty useful thing. It's okay though. Get out of it. Right up a tree. Literally up a tree. Right. 1, 2, 3. It's kind of amazing me being able to roll freaking 500-pound snow machine over. Okay. Now my back hurts. Anyway, that was fun. If I can get out through here, my track was just spinning on like the length of that tree right there. Anyway. There we go. Guess we're going this way. Ow. I hit my kill switch and nailed my knee.
Oh no.
Got stuck. I went down the bottom of the hill and like started going up and just spun out on this tree.
I was wondering.
Oh, yeah, I had to roll the sled.
Yeah, he's right over here.
I was like, maybe I shouldn't go down. I'll probably get stuck.
Well, oh, he said Tim's right here. He's good. Yeah, I was just looking for you and I didn't see it. I was about to go drop down and try to find you, but he's like, he must be down there playing on that hill again.
Yeah, I totally was. I was like, maybe I shouldn't go down. I'll probably get stuck. And then sure enough. Nice.
Funniest line I've ever seen you take.
You like that? I was getting a little western for a second.
I was like, God, oh, man.
I might have been watching too many videos.
I guess so.
And we're back. All right, we're on our way back to the car. Kind of doing a little bit of dish banging. Pretty fun. Look at this guy. All that, you got stuck right there? All right, I'm tired now. Feel good.
Like
Big old improvement.
2 weeks ago.
Yeah, I know. Whew. Someone left some cheese sticks and hummus. What?
What?
Someone left a bunch of cheese sticks and hummus on the...
Is that your cheese sticks?
I don't know. Looks like it almost. Well, there we go, everybody. That's a wrap. Another successful day. Well, guys, on the way back to the cabin in Girdwood, I guess that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed the video and smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of this stuff, and see you in the next show. All right, y'all.